So guys, I'm discuss about that how we can promoting for your business to getting leads by using Google My Business option. So first of all, we can consider here your Google My Business. So we can first of all create by the Google My Business option. So every option will be there. So you can writing for good review or bad review, any option depend on your particular option will be there. That is called your latest post compulsory important. When you go to inside, the showing for every trophy will be here. Help customer to find your business, create a post option. This compulsory important. If you generate any leads or a particular business, compulsory important key point to regularly posting for your particular Google business page. Second thing is called update your photos and videos option. What are the things you've done or everything you can update by your photos and the video option. Here is the video. Just upload it. So what are the videos are done? That all will update by your particular Google My Business option. This is a compulsory important on the particular option. So yeah, I'm applying for particular video. How many videos are prepared? Every day you can update by the videos and the photos. And what are the stills are your everything will be updated for your particular business purpose. Just you can go with uploading your option. So first of all here I'm updating for videos option. Next, here interior, exterior, at work, everything. At work will be every option will be there. Overview, uploading for the photos option. Any particular things what you've done that all will be updating for your particular option will be here. So this all will be uploading for images. Very important option will be in this compulsory important, and the particular option will be called post option. When in post will be compulsory and offer, update, events and a product. In this we can go to option will be what is a new offer will releasing for particular post option. Select here and publishing video option will be here. Any video will be select. Uploading this option. I can upload by the video. This is main purpose to generating leads on your particular website. Add your keyword, book your service, and add your website link. We can give the specific website link also we can give. Suppose we are promoting for service and this latest post where you can visible also I can show you here services option in this copy, save image, save post option, what's new, selecting here. So what other you can promoting every option will be in this main we have to use particular option. Every will be in this here. Just we can use this option will be here and update by the image. Select here. After uploading image, we have to compulsory. You can do the one small procedure. Resize it. They click for upload by the full image. Logo compulsory important. Upload it. The particular title. Next, copy the specific link. If you're promoting for specific link purpose, here option will be book. Or you can give by sign up. Click for publish. When we can go to Google option. I'm searching for Rakesh Tech Solutions. Here everything will be here. The particular option will be there. What are the posts you've done? Everything will be showing for in this option will be here. Here we all photos, everything will be given the particular option. So I'm opening for the same account now. I can open for different account. image. These are latest posts. Here is the options. What are the posts you done? Everything we can show by your particular Google My Business option. This all belongs to where in the updating for regular post option. So what are the video we can upload? Everything will be showing to the particular option. So we can promoting for videos, everything will be here in the particular option. So everyone to promoting here. First of all, image is more important. Image, you can upload here 10 images, write a post and upload by the option will be book, order online, buy, learn more, sign up and a call now. Suppose you have physical store like bookstall, everything that you can go for buy option will be using. Suppose you can give any kind of learn more option. We can give for the learn more option will be give the particular option call now and everything. When you click the call now option, automatic mobile number display on the particular users. When remain all option will be give the website link or blog link. In the Google My Business supporting for blog link also. If you are generating leads on the Google My Business, regular post, regular updating the photos and videos, compulsory important. The main important thing is called we have to install by the Play Store and App Store, install by the live chat enable option. We can use and what are the people give the review, you can give the comment for the particular each reviews, give the reply for that, getting for more visibility for the users based on the review option. So use these options and increase your website traffic and that all traffic will be checking for inside option. That all will be better. Your post will be increase the traffic. The traffic will be completely direct from the three option, direct, discovery and a branded. So complete will be increase a customer who find your listing by searching for category and product or service. Branded, customer who find listing by searching for a brand related to your business. Customer who find listing by searching for your business name or address. So based on this one, we are this will be more focused by your keyword and category wise and service wise. So compulsory, what are the information we can give? The based on you can promoting for each and every location on your each post and increase your website leads and the based on the Google My Business option. Don't lose a customer. Regular we can do the two posts enough to increase our customers on your particular website. Regular you can do the post. The image size will be compulsory. You can selecting for 1024 by 512 up to 280 by 720 option. You can use this size and upload the video and promote your business by using Google My Business option. They are generating for good traffic on the particular Google My Business option. Use it, increase your traffic based on the Google My Business. If any product you have to sell is a product sale purpose, next will be any offer you are decide, the offer will show to the customer purpose. And event, if you're running any events, we can show your event by image, event title, and description option. We can give the button option. Button will be does not change to promoting for offers or product or events and your special notification for the your particular business. You can writing for title along with the long description also will be accepted. User description increase the website traffic based on this Google My Business option. If anybody not approve your Google My Business, any issues, please ask me. Digital Rakesh YouTube channel comment box. I will help each and every for a particular business to increase the traffic and particular branded reach and awareness.